Yes, my horse is gonna jump into that raggedy horse pool.
Classic Caillou, no, it's not a pool, it's a flood, so don't jump in it.
I smell to your breath, because your breath smells like 30,000-year-old Yogi Bear's horse.
Watch your fucking mouth, you fucking piece of shit.
I don't give a hot horse if you shut up. That is your problem, Dingleberry Wackleberry Horseflake.
Man, don't cause so much trouble, it's a flood, I told you that already.
No, because if I see pool, it's a pool. Get it right, crusty horse. I can swim in it every time I see pool.
Okay, do whatever you want, man, you'll see.
I need your crusty ass tension for real, you big faggot bitch. You fucking faggot.
Classic Caillou is a big and little piece of shit. How dare you jump to the water that I told you not to? That's IT. You're grounded for a month. Go to your room now.